welcome back to my channel. I'm Alex. Today I have very exciting video, so I'm going to unbox Louis Vuitton Kirigami. If you're new here on my channel, please consider to subscribe. If you like videos about luxury shopping, unboxing, reviews, comparison, and basically everything luxury what I am usually unboxing. So let's start to unbox this beautiful bag. So let me tell a little bit about this item. This is not just like regular Kirigami as you see like in monogram that usually sells on Louis Vuitton website or stores. This is I guess it's a spring summer collection to 2021. This is new, like super bright and beautiful colors, because I like for a long time I wanted all this like light and super bright colors that they sometimes have. I still see on Louis Vuitton website they have like this 2020 collection, but it's always unavailable. I just so much like all these colors, like this reddish pinkish small one, the blue one, and the big one with like all like purplish and stuff, but I couldn't buy it because it's never available. I see it like in different websites, but it's super expensive, like twice, sometimes more expensive than you buy a new one on Louis Vuitton website. So, and I decided to be like on hunt for 2021 collection, and I texted sale associate that I got some items from, and I told her that I so much want Kirigami, and if you like have it in a store, please let me know. She said I don't have it right now, like a couple months ago, like I don't have it right now, but if I have, I will let you know. So, and recently I was looking some other item, and I just remind her like, if you still will get like some Kirigami, remember I'm still on it. So, and she said she's going to have Kirigami soon, and she will let me know because the new collection was like on the way to like hit the stores. And like, yes, let me check. Yeah, day before yesterday she texted me and said, hey, I have Kirigami available, so you can just pick up anytime. So I just went right away to get my Kirigami. So I'm super happy that I finally get this one. I was already thinking to get like regular monogram, but I have so many items in monogram, it would be just, I guess, useless for me, because why do I need so many classic monogram items like this one? So I have like a lot of little SLGs. They are a lot of them in monogram, so I don't really want any more monogram items. Okay, so let's open this up and see what color we have here for 2021 collection. Okay, so it's classic flip box, magnetic, and as usually I have here like envelope with all the details. I mean with receipts here, yes, not details, just receipts. So, and this is it. So it's not like a huge piece. I actually thought my on first when I saw them online, I thought they quite should be like bigger, but actually I like what I have here. So here it is, beautiful classic Louis Vuitton dust bag. Here it says Louis Vuitton on it, and this is it. Oh my god, I so much like these colors for this season. They are just, I believe it's called By the Pool collection. Look at this, it's just so adorable. I'm not sure if it's like easy to see all the colors, but it's super like baby pink here, and it just kind of like goes to meet like the yellow here. So in the middle it's kind of like between kind of yellow and pinkish. And this collection, I mean this particular big Kirigami goes with all like big Louis Vuitton symbols are like here, and on their back is just huge LV over here. I so much like that LV in the right like direction, because previous year that I saw pictures, the biggest envelope was like this way. For example, if I just wanna wear it, it's not gonna be like super nice, then it's just opposite way. So but this one is just came exactly what I would want it. So I can wear it like this way, or I can wear it like this way, so it's pretty much same thing. Okay, so I so much love it. Then when I saw it, I asked her like to send me pictures first, because I just want to make sure that it's like colors that I want and everything like that. And when just she showed me these pictures, I was just thrilled, because I so much loved it. I so much like all of it. I so much like Lily Pulitzer outfits. I have like a lot clothing from Lily Pulitzer, and this one, then I'm gonna make it like a crossbody bag, like converted. It's gonna be just awesome for summer. I just can't wait to wear it like a bag. So basically that's why I bought it. I'm not gonna use them as like they supposed to be. Big one for tablets, medium one for passport, and small ones for cards. Small ones, yes, it's gonna be for cards, but I'm not gonna use like wasted to get a tablet for there. I don't even have tablets, so obviously it's gonna be a bag. Okay, so inside, okay, let's check each of them like separate. So this is inside of the big one. It's actually very roomy. I would say it's about same size as toiletry pouch 26 that I have. Then I put my insert inside. It's pretty much same size I have here, so it should be just fine for me. Over here it says Louis Vuitton. I'm not sure if it's seen here, but it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. So my pieces made in France, which is one more plus. I can't say I really much care about where it's made from, but since it's Paris, it's a good thing. Okay, so let's look at the medium one. So medium one, it's even more my color. I so much obsessed with blue, and all this like blue that goes to like greenish kinda, as you can see here, like in the middle. It's just totally my color. So I wish this one would be actually the biggest one of the blue color, but I can say that I don't like how it is right now. Actually, don't really much care, so I'm happy what I have here regardless of the sizes. So this one is very cute. As you can see, it's like more like a bluish, goes like to very light, I don't know, beige, I would say. Yeah, it's kind of peachy beige color here, so it's very cute. And inside it's blue, of course, like it's all thing. And here it also says the same information as on the previous one, Louis Vuitton, made in Paris. Okay, so much like. I actually, the only thing I'm not sure, I don't know how I'm gonna use this one, because I saw some people use it as a wallet, but I guess wallet it's gonna be too big for me. Usually like I have only cards that I carry around, so this one little baby is gonna be just perfect for me with all my cards. So, and this one, I don't know, I'm obviously not gonna use it for passport, just to lay around, because I want to use all these things. You know, you pay like a lot of money for them, so you just wanna have this experience going on, like not just laying around with your passport that I'm not gonna even use, like, I don't know, for a long time probably. So I don't know, I not decided yet how I'm gonna use this one. Probably a little kind of makeup bag, considering that all my makeup is mascara and some lipstick. it's gonna be like pretty much it. But I have a lot of kind of like skincare routine, so I'm not gonna be able to fit it here for sure. Okay, I will figure out later. So it's gonna be big one, is gonna be bag. Medium one, I still need to think about it. And this one is obviously gonna be card holder. It's gonna be super cute little card holder. Look at this. I so much like how all these colors kind of like one color goes from to another. And here you can see this is kind of peach. On the bottom it's kind of peach, very light and smooth, nice color, and it kind of goes up and turn to gray, and it's very nice, like going to gray and like all this gray, peach and white. It looks so cute. Inside it's kind of it's a beige. It's like super light beige color inside, and it says same thing, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Okay, also inside you have little things. There it says like coated fabric, calf leather interior lining, and this is the number. So the number for this item is this one, in case if someone will need it or something. Okay, let me find how to put it. Yeah, like this. So it's M80377, and it's called Kirigami Pool Monogram. So it's by the Pool collection, as I already mentioned. So this one is definitely gonna work for cards just perfect, but just for example, just for comparison, I just put like, for example, this is Los Angeles Metro card. I'm gonna just try to put it here, and as you can see, it slides really nice, and it has like a lot of space inside. So let me try to put some other cards and see how many cards actually this thing can hold. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, you can fit more, but it's pretty already tight. So basically 7 cards here, and it's not really like tight or something. I mean, when you put it, it feels like they tight, but actually you can fit more. I just don't really think I'm gonna use more than 7 credit cards every day. So that's it. It looks very cute little. I did really want to get some little wallet or something like this in another like color, maybe monogram or damier azur. So I so much love this one. I so much love how easy to use it. You just like drop some cash, drop some cards, and I like always around, and it's super easy. So I wanted something more. I mean, I wanted something else. For example, I'm gonna put if keys here like it's supposed to be, then I'm gonna put like my car somewhere else. So I wanted to get one more, like maybe different collection, or maybe like the same collection but just different color. So, and now I have it. So this one is gonna be that item. Okay, so let me show one more time close up all these colors. As you can see, they are fantastic. Okay, so the little one here, then it goes the medium one over here that I still need to figure out how to use for what and stuff. It's not gonna be like a bag because it's too small. Even though I like to wear like small bags, but this one is just too small to be my bag. And this beauty is actually going to be my bag. I actually can show how I'm approximately gonna use it. I mean, this is a chain from Amazon that I got for my Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch 26, and then I converted it to bag. So, and this one I can actually use it here as well, but for now I just, since I don't have insert yet, insert is on the way, so it's gonna be here like today's Monday, it's gonna be here on Wednesday. I already got it yesterday, so I'm really excited to get this insert, but for now, when I don't have an insert, I can just show it like this. Just put like chain, close up like this, and just close the button here. So this is basically how it's gonna be for me. It's very cute. As you can see, I always like wear all my bags crossbody, because I live in New York City, and I can say that I'm really super comfortable just walking around, then my bag just on my way, like on my side. And for example, if someone will just push it or something, it's gonna like, I don't know, you know, it's better to be safe. So this way I know my bag is always on me, and I'm not gonna like lose it on the subway or anywhere. So, and as you can see, it's very, actually it's very pretty good size, and this chain is look fantastic, so you can wear it like anyway, like this or like that, whatever you prefer. So it looks so great. I so much love it, and I so much love it. Gold one is gonna work just magic with this beautiful bag. Okay, so I guess this is it about this beautiful Kirigami set that I finally was able to get. And let me just remind how much it cost and stuff. So this beautiful set has cost $1,020, and with all the taxes and everything for New York City, I paid $1,110.58. Okay, obviously it's expensive. I'm not gonna say it's not expensive. It's very expensive to pay like $1,000 for it, but at the same time, for like Louis Vuitton, I can say it's expensive to get 3 items for $1,000, because usually you just get like 1 item for around $1,000. So, and to get like new collection, like the latest collection, that always a little bit more expensive. For example, regular Kirigami costs $745 or something like that, and this one already $1,020, so it's almost like $300 more almost. So obviously it's more expensive than its new items comes up. So, and I'm very excited that I was able to get this beautiful set, and I can't wait to wear it and like try it in all the possible ways I can. I watched so many videos on YouTube what to do and how to do this medium one. If you have any ideas, I would happy to hear it, because I really wanted to get like the most of the use of all of these free items. So basically that you pay a lot of money, you want to get like as much as you can back. So all right, thank you so much for watching this video and unpacking this beautiful Kirigami set with me. And I so much love and this by the pool collection. I just can't stop talking how much I like this new by the pool collection, and I can't wait to get something else from this collection and unbox it again. So thank you so much for watching it, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.